If you're looking for a quick, and I mean 5-minute or less, breakfast idea, all you need to start is a banana. Come on over.
Making guests feel welcome, one home at a time.
Let's talk overnight oats. What makes this breakfast really quick is that you've done the work the night before and let it all blend together. So what do you need? Well, you need some sort of vessel like a jar, something like this. This is just a plain old canning jar. You need oats, and you're gonna need half a cup. Now you're also gonna need half a cup of yogurt or something like yogurt, 1-to-1 ratio. So if you want more oats, just put in more yogurt. You have about a half a cup in these little single servings. So that works out perfectly. Then you're gonna need 1/3 of a cup of some sort of milk. Now look what I have here, oat milk. Oh, going with the oat theme, love it. 1/3 of a cup, and here you add some sort of sweetener. In my case, I do not add a sweetener because this is a vanilla Greek yogurt, so it has sweetener and vanilla in it for me. But you could add a sweetener, maybe a honey or agave or even maple syrup. Whew. Sounds good. If you want some sort of seed, now is your time to add it. And then you just stir it up and stick it into the refrigerator. And I did this last night. This is how it comes out. So these oats have been sitting in here, absorbing the liquids. Oh, it smells fantastic too. Getting nice and thick, almost like an ice cream or even a frozen yogurt in here. And it is ready to go with the topping of your choice at that point. So here's where the banana comes in. If you have a banana that's seen better days or is leading that way, into your oats it goes. You can add all kinds of fruits, maybe berries. You could add peanut butter if you'd like to. This is your breakfast. You can do what you want. You can even add, dare I say, chocolate chips. Yes, ma'am. And then I like to add a little bit of a nut for a crunch. So it could be slivered almonds, it could be walnuts, any nut you like. You stir it all in here and you literally just eat it out of the jar. You can be civilized and put it in a bowl, but why dirty another bowl when you can just, you know what I'm saying? So super simple. You can make them at night and be ready in the morning. So quick and so yum. Look at me just inventing.
Come on over. Now go make someone feel special today.